need a storage solution. Let's go to American Structure.
American Structure has been building quality outdoor structures in Bedford, PA and surrounding areas for over 30 years, serving Pennsylvania, Maryland, Ohio, Virginia, and West Virginia. American Structure is famous for price and quality. Once quality is understood, price is easily appreciated. And American Structure enhances the value of your property because it's built to last, top quality, second to none. Let's get to building.
The 4x4s are brought in for the skids on the building, cut the floor joist out, cut the placement for the floor joist. The rafters are cut and pressed together. While that is happening, they're building the end walls, the front and rear wall of the structure. The other carpenter will be building the side walls, placing the windows where they need them to be. Whenever that is finished, we use our crane to bring the walls over, set them on the floor. After the walls are all set on the floor, the building gets pushed down to the shop. The guys will go over and start setting the rafters. We sheet the roof. Once the sheeting of the roof is done, the roof plywood is put on, it'll get pushed down and one of the guys will start painting the building. They'll paint the building of the desired color of the customer. The trim will get painted to what the customer wants. After the building is done, dried, the process will start with the trim getting put onto the building, touch-up paint on the building. Then after that, they'll run the drip edge on and get ready for shingles. Shingles get put on the building. Then they finish trimming the doors, putting the windows in, putting door handles on, putting hinges on, and pretty much getting the building ready to get pulled out to get delivered to the customer.
Why choose an American Structure building?
I'll definitely be proud of, long-lasting, and also something that upgrades property.
I like seeing how everything comes together and how we can make a nice-looking building at the end of the day.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
Well, American Structure solved that problem.